Magandang gabi mga kaibigan, sa aking mga subscriber, aking mga silent viewer dyan. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Meron nga pala akong 25 sentimo 25 sentimo mga kaibigan. Ito'y galing kay Kaloy. Kaloy, shout out sa iyo Kaloy. Ito yung 25 sentimo na Juan Luna. Mga kaibigan, nagbigay muna tayo ng kaalaman tungkol sa biography of the renowned Filipino martyr Juan Luna. Gabriela Silang, get to know more about the Pinoy painter, sculptor, and political activist of the Philippine Revolution, Juan Luna. Juan Luna E. Novicio, a prominent Filipino artist recognized internationally, was born on October 23, 1857 in Badoc, Ilocos Norte. 12 of parents Don Lorenzo Guerrero Luna's first painting mentor quickly noticed his natural artistic talent and convinced his parents to send him to Spain for advanced painting lessons. In 1877, Luna, accompanied by his elder brother Manuel, a violinist, embarked on a journey to Barcelona. During his time in Spain, he broadened his knowledge of art and was exposed to the timeless works of Renaissance masters. Alejo Vera, one of his private tutors and a renowned contemporary painter in Spain, took Luna to Rome to work on certain artistic commissions. Juan Luna's artistic abilities gained recognition in 1878 when his work were exhibited at the Exposition Nacional de Bellas Artes, National Demonstration of Beautiful Arts in Madrid. He became deeply engrossed in painting and presented a collection of his artwork at the 1881 exposition. Some of Luna's most famous masterpieces include Spolarium, which won a gold medal at the Exposition General de Bellas Artes in Madrid in 1884, and now displayed at the National Museum of the Philippines. Another notable work is La Batalla de Lepanto. The Battle of Lepanto, commissioned by the Spanish Senate after Luna developed a friendship with the King of Spain, El Pacto de Sangre, the Blood Compact. Depicted the Blood Compact ceremony between Dato Sicatuna and Spanish conquistador Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. Currently exhibited in Malacañang Palace. Unfortunately, some of Luna's works, like Don Miguel de Legazpi, were lost due to war. In 1885, Luna's painting Odalisque earned his official acceptance as an artist in the annual Salon of Paris art exhibition. This painting was part of the collection of Philippine national hero Jose Rizal. Kinulik pa pala ni Jose Rizal yung painting niya. On December 8, 1886, Luna married Maria de la Paz Pardo de Tavera, the sister of his friend Felix and Trinidad Pardo de Vera. They settled in Paris and had a son named Andres, but their daughter died in infancy. Luna frequently painted his wife, but became suspicious of her having an affair with Monsieur Dusac. Tragically, on September 23, 1892, in a fit of jealousy, Luna killed his wife and mother-in-law and wounded his brother-in-law, Felix. He was arrested and faced murder charge but was eventually acquitted on grounds of temporary insanity as a prevailing unwritten law at the time allowed for the killing of unfaithful spouses. Luna was ordered to pay damages to the Pardo de Taveras. After his release, Luna returned to Manila during the revolution against Spain. He and his brother Antonio Luna were arrested by Spanish authorities on September 16, 1896 on accusation of organizing a revolution with the Katipunan Secret Society. While in prison, Luna managed to create a work of art titled Ais Homo. After being pardoned by the Spanish monarchy on May 27, 1897, Luna went back to Europe. He actively participated in the revolutionary government and was appointed to the Paris delegation working for the diplomatic recognition of the Philippine Republic. Luna was also part of the delegation that praised for the recognition of the Philippine government in Washington after signing of his Treaty of Paris. In December 1899, Luna decided to return to the Philippines due to his strong love for the country and its people. However, he suffered a severe heart attack and passed away on December 7, 1899. Yun ang naging buhay ni Juan Luna, mga kaibigan. Si Juan Luna daw ay artist sa bagay. Marami naman talaga siyang paintings na ginawa. Kaya naging famous siya. Unahin natin yung pictures niya. Isuri Philippines, Period Republic, 1946 to date, type, standard circulation coins. Years, 1983 to 1990. Values, 25 centimos, currency piso, composition brass. Non-magnetic pala to. Non-magnetic nga, brass. Weight 3.9 grams, diameter 21 mm, thickness 1.68 mm, shape round, technique meld, orientation medal alignment. Demonetized January 2, 1998. Bars of Juan Luna, facing right, Republika ng Pilipinas, Juan Luna. Ito pala yung harapan, ang ulo. Reverse, Philippine butterfly, Graphium Idaisudis. Graphium Idaisudis, Latin word. Lettering 25 centimo, Graphium Idaisudis. UDs, idiodes, pwede namang idiodes. Edge, rated. Rated daw ang edge niya. Oo nga, rated, magaspang. Ay guit-guit. Value niya, presyo niya mga kaibigan, 1983, dalawa, may proof. Good, 4.40, very good, 10 pesos, fine, 14 pesos, very fine, 19, hanggang extra fine, almost uncirculated, 24.63 ang uncirculated. Aba, mahal-mahal itong 1983. 1984, 4.40 good, 5 pesos, very good, 8.80 fine, 13 pesos, very fine, 14 ang extra fine, 16 almost uncirculated hanggang uncirculated. 85, very good, 3.80, fine 5.60, very fine 11, extra fine 19 pesos, almost uncirculated 34.64 ang uncirculated. 86, very fine lang 15 pesos hanggang extra fine. 87, very fine lang 27 pesos. 88, very good, 7.50, fine 12 pesos, very fine 14 pesos. Ang 1989, isa lang presyo niya, very fine lang. Ang 1990, good 5 pesos, very good 13 hanggang fine. Very fine 19 pesos, extra fine 20 pesos, almost uncirculated 28.56 ang uncirculated. Mahal din pala itong mga coins na to. Ang Juan Luna Butterfly. So mga kaibigan, baka naman pwedeng maglambing ng subscribe, papress ng subscribe, papress ng notification bell, paselect ng all para ma-notify kayo pag nag-upload ng video. Like na rin ang video, at kung gusto nyo i-share, pa-share na rin mga kaibigan. O mga kaibigan, yung mga ibang coins natin may mga history, pati yung mga bayani sa kanilang nakalagay. Si Juan Luna, national artist. Mga kaibigan, magandang gabi. Salamat.